base diameter of 20 centimeter and a height of 9 centimeter, calculate. The first question is volume. Okay, the second one is the total surface area of the cone. That's the total surface area. Let's go. Okay, I have solution. Now, this is the diagram of a cone. This is the diagram of a cone. All right, now, from here to here is the diameter. Okay, here is the height. This is the height. Okay, this is the height of the cone. Now here is the diameter of the cone. Okay, while this part is the slant length. All right, now this part is the slant length. This is also the slant length. Now this is the height of a cone, and the angle from here is a right angle triangle. All right, now this is the height, while this is the diameter. All right, let's go. A cone has a base diameter of 20 centimeter, meaning from here to here is 20 centimeter. Okay, now if from here to here is 20, meaning from here to here will be 10. Okay, now this will be my diagram. This will be my diagram. All right, from here to here is 10 centimeter. All right, now, and a height of 9 centimeter. Height, that is from here to here is 9 centimeter. Remember, it's a right angle triangle. Okay, we are not giving the slant length. We are not giving the slant length. All right, they also calculate the volume and the total surface area of the cone. All right, now the first thing I will do is this. I will get the slant length. Okay, I will get the slant length. Now, the triangle form here is a right angle triangle. All right, now to get this part, I will use Pythagoras theory. What is Pythagoras theory? Pythagoras theory states that the square of the longest side, which is the hypotenuse, is equal to the square of the summation of the two other sides. All right, so meaning I have L square equals to 9 square plus 10 square. Okay, I will have L square equals to, this will give me 81 plus 100. Okay, I will have L square equals to, if I add this to, I will have 181. To get L, I will take the square root of both sides. Okay, so meaning I will have L, if I take the square root of this, we have 13.45 centimeter. All right, so meaning the slant length of the cone is 13.45 centimeter. Now here is the question. We are asked to get the volume. Okay, I have Roman figure 1. The volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r square h. That's the formula. 1/3 pi r square h. All right, now I will substitute my value, okay, into this formula to get the volume. I'm going to have volume equals to 1/3 times pi. I was told in the question to use pi as 3.142. Okay, so in place of pi, I will substitute 3.142 times the radius, which is 10. Remember, half of the diameter is radius. I was given the diameter as 20. And half of the diameter is equals to radius. Okay, so meaning 20 divided by 2 will give me 10. Meaning the radius is what? 10. Okay, so in place of radius, I will have 10. Remember the square here, so I will have 10 raised to the power 2 times my height is 9. Okay, I'm going to have volume equals to, let me multiply everything in the numerator. That is 3.142 times 10 raised to the power 2 will give me 100. Okay, which is 3.142 times 100 times 9. I will get my volume equals to 1 times 3.142 times 10 raised to the power 2, which is 100 times 9. This will give me 2827.8. Then divide, divide, okay, denominator, which is what? 3. All right, I'm going to have volume equals to, I will divide this to 942.6 centimeter cube. That's my answer. All right, now the first question is calculate each volume. The volume is what? 942.6 centimeter cube. All right, that's Roman figure 1.